Hello and welcome back to another lockdown in Lincoln video. But today we're not going to take a walk along the streets of Lincoln like I normally do. Today we're having another look at one of these lateral flow testing kits. You may remember a couple of weeks ago I unboxed one of this lateral flow testing kit, where you had 3 testing strips inside this. But now the students of Lincolnshire have been given a rapid antigen testing kit. Now it's exactly the same because it is inside a lateral flow testing kit, just that there's a few more. There's actually 7 testing strips inside here, and in fact there's 7 of everything that you need to keep you tested for, I don't know, 7 days a week perhaps, although the students in Lincolnshire are actually advised to test themselves twice a week. So well, there's 7 inside here, so that'll keep them going for 2 or 3 weeks. Right, so anyway, let's have a look inside this box and see what you actually get inside your rapid antigen testing kit. Right, so here we are then. This is the COVID-19 self-test rapid antigen test kit, and like I was saying, it's a lot like the other test kits. So what have we got then inside the box? We've got the usual guarantee, the qualification certificate from China. We've got the extraction tubes, and like I was saying, these tubes fit inside there once you've started your test. And I believe that there's actually 7 of these in here. Like I was saying, there's possibly 1 for each day of the week. And here you have your COVID-19 the self-test strip. Now, once again, I shan't open one of these. I don't want to use it at the moment. But I shall put a picture up of what it looks like. That's what it looks like inside this packet. And like I was saying, you get 7 of these, the self-test strips, so you can test yourself for the COVID-19 virus. What else have we got in here? We've got the extraction buffer sachets, these are called. There's a liquid inside there, some kind of serum or something that you've got to mix inside one of the extraction tubes. And of course, here we have your swabs. I believe there's 7 of these as well. Yes, there's 7 swabs there to stick up your nose and around your tonsils. What else have we got here? And we've got, I should say, there's 7 bags there to put your rubbish in, so there's 7 rubbish bags. And of course, there's your instructions on how to use the self-test kit. And like I was saying, in the cardboard piece here, there's a place there to put your extraction tube, and I shall show you how to do that. We'll just take one of these out of here, and we shall place it into there like so. So that's how one of those fits in there. And then of course you put the extraction buffet sachet in there, just one. Like I said, there's 7 of those, so 1 for each day of the week perhaps, or you use 1 each time that you want to test yourself for this deadly COVID-19 virus. So there you have it. That's what you get in the rapid antigen test kit. So there you have it. That's what's inside this rapid antigen testing kit that's being given out to the students of Lincolnshire. Now then, in a couple of weeks' time, I'm hoping to possibly make the last video in this series of lockdown in Lincoln, because apparently we're going to come out of lockdown and all restrictions will be lifted. Now, whether that happens or not is, well, anyone's guess, but apparently in a couple of weeks' time, on June the 21st, I believe, all restrictions will be lifted. No more hand sanitizers, no more wearing these masks, we can all take them off, and there'll be no more social distancing, and of course all the shops, all the pubs, all the clubs, everything will open up again, which will be brilliant. We'll be able to get our lives back together again, but let's hope that that happens. So anyway, if it does, I shall be back out there on the streets of Lincoln with my cameras, so hopefully you'll tune back in for that. But anyway, this video we've just made, I hope it's been of some use to somebody and someone's found it interesting. If it has, then maybe you'd like to give us those thumbs up and subscribe. Right then, thank you all so very, very much for watching, and please, everybody out there in YouTube land, stay safe.